So Garvee recently sent me out this table here, and today I'm going to show you guys exactly what came in the box, how to assemble it, then I'll give you guys a closer look at the table. Of course, this did not come with the chairs, but I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like with some chairs at the table. As you guys could see, even with 4 chairs, this has a ton of extra room. You could probably fit at least 6 here comfortably, and then probably at the maximum 10. So here's the box that the table comes in. It's just one box and it's not as large as I was expecting. So let me go ahead and get everything taken out of the box. I'll just lay it right down here on the carpet to speed up this unboxing. So here's everything that you guys are gonna get in the box. And I was actually really surprised to see how simple this table is going to be to put together. I definitely thought that there are going to be more parts, but here we have the centerpiece to the table. Then we have the 2 edge pieces to the tabletop with round edges. We have the legs, and these are actual metal. And then we have these posts, and I assume they're gonna help put the tabletop together. We get all the accessories, and here's the user guide, and that should give you guys a general idea of how this is gonna go together. Seems pretty simple, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this together. I'll record a quick time lapse just to show you guys the assembly process. So when it came to the assembly, it was actually pretty straightforward. There weren't as many pieces as I was used to for these type of projects, which was really nice because things went by really quick. I was able to do this almost all on my own, but if you guys could get some help, that would be great. The instructions were very clear, and they also supplied all of the tools that you guys needed for the assembly. All right guys, so here is the table all assembled. I went ahead and added 4 of my chairs that I would normally have in here anyway. And as you guys can see, they fit under here perfectly. So you guys technically could probably put another chair there and over there and fit up to 10 people. It definitely would be a little tight, but there is plenty of room, and this will comfortably fit 6 people. So the table does not separate. There's no like leaf that you could take out and mash together. It's just all one large unit, but it does look really nice and solid. They have a really nice finish on the top here, rounded edges, so you don't have to worry about your little ones running into that. This is actual metal, as you guys could hear. And just moving it over here, it felt super solid. So I know that these chairs are probably not going to be the first choice for a table like this, but it was just what I had. And I want to show you guys what it looks like when I just take a seat here, just so that you guys could see the tabletop height. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, take a seat here, and the height seems perfect. It's a little lower than my last table, but it's pretty standard. My last table was on the higher end, so definitely pretty comfortable to sit at. There's plenty of room. I could see this being a great table for just eating or playing card games. To me, the craziest part is that this entire table came in that one box. They did a really good job at designing the table. Of course, you can see these seams here, but honestly, seems like that pretty standard on tables like this, because normally there would be a leaf in the center and you'd have a seam anyways. So it's definitely a pretty modern design. I want to say it's almost like farmhousey design, just with that metal that they use down there, but it's also a little bit more modern than a normal farmhouse table. So it's definitely in a unique category for tables, and I really like it, but most importantly, it was easy to set up.